race 3, if you're letting your eyes open, feeling verbal, chatty, talkative, outgoing, energetic, having fun, still deeply hypnotized. 1, 2, 3. Yes, relax. You know, it dawns on me I haven't got your name yet. I am so sorry about that. When I ask your name, please give me a name you normally go by. It could be a first name, a middle name, a nickname, just what you normally go by. I'll begin right over here with you. Just let me know what your name is. Shane. Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming up here. Right over here, of course you are? Natalie. Nice to meet you as well. Right over here. Chris. Someone in the audience had yelled out, and I thought it was Chris.
I'm changing it. It's Nunu.
Mine's Pancake.
Nice to meet y'all. Nunu, Pancake, and you said, if I'm not mistaken, I'm sorry?
Jimmy.
I don't know if you are?
Demetrius.
Demetrius, nice to meet you as well. Of course, whatever. I know.
Yes!
Demetrius. Great name, man. It really is. Right over here, where you are?
Aaron. I'm sorry. Can you call me Stretch?
Yeah, I'm in. Hey, you had a question right over here?
I figured out what the smell was.
Oh, what was it?
Well, yesterday was St. Patrick's Day, and everybody was eating cabbage. And I grew up with Ukrainian grandparents, and we were making cabbage. They were making cabbage all the time, and it smelled like farts. Everybody eating cabbage yesterday.
You know, it'd be really fun is to have like a mashed potato fight after the cabbage. It'd be great. It'd be great.
Mashed potatoes turn me on.
The metro, I purposely ride in the third car because it's never the yucky orange one.
Wow, you've got that shit figured out. When I was at Disney World, I always liked to ride the Tron tram.
What?
Pancake stripping.
Yeah, right back at you.
Prince. No artist. One word. Prince.
Prince.
My husband